If your DJI Osmo Action 6 camera won't turn on, let me quickly show you what you can try to do. So first of all, you have to open this side, move this button to the right side, and then move it, not this one, actually this one, move it to the right side and then push it downwards. Now open this cover, and as you can see here, you can find this USB-C port. So we have to connect any USB-C cable. You can even connect this cable straight into your laptop, game console or TV, or for example you can use a charger from your smartphone. And now as you can see, we can find this percentage of our battery. But of course, if you don't have here any information, probably the battery that you have inside your device is dead. So you have to just simply recharge this battery for around 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you can click and hold this power key that is located on the right side. Take a look. You can click and hold it, or you can single press, and now as you can see, the camera will turn on. But if it is still not working, there's a big chance that your battery is broken, and I believe that you have to actually use a warranty for this device, because I wouldn't actually risk to actually change some parts in this device. Just send it to the DJI service and they will definitely take care of your device and tell you what's exactly going on with this device and why it's not turning on. I hope that simple tip will help you. Let me know in the comments.